This is Beiraul village in South Rajasthan, where Amrit Health Services opened its first clinic in early 2013. Their goal? Provide affordable health care to this unserved and remote community of Meena tribals. The nearest city is Udaipur, more than 2 hours away by road. Signs point the way to Amrit Clinic. The clinic is staffed by fully trained nurses and senior healthcare workers who provide a range of services, including diagnosis, administering of medication, routine tests, and birth assistance.
कितना टाइम से टीबी की बीमारी है आपको? इनको पता चला यहाँ नया हॉस्पिटल खुला है, फिर ये यहाँ ट्रीटमेंट कराने आए। हम घर जाके इनका थोड़े दिन ट्रीटमेंट किया क्योंकि आने की सुविधा वगैरह कुछ थी नहीं इनके पास, तो कंटिन्यू 1 वीक 2 वीक इनके घर पे किया और इसके बाद ये कंटिन्यू आने लगे। इनको काफ़ी रिलैक्स है, तब ये खुद ही आ जाते हैं यहाँ पे।
Before Amrit Clinic, villagers took transportation, like this, to reach the nearest health services an hour away. This population is particularly vulnerable, partly because men and boys as young as 14 migrate to cities to work as low-wage manual laborers.
India's migrant population is vast. It's almost, it's uncounted, but it is well over 120 million people who step out of their villages into urban areas looking for work every year. And most of all, given the higher risk and the hazards of the work that they do, a lot of migrant workers are likely to face serious health issues, and they are unlikely to receive health services. In most cases, actually turn around and come back to their villages. So when they come back home, they're actually coming back to poor quality care and remote conditions in which consistent treatment is difficult. Also, they're coming back to poor households.
Today, the doctor has come on his weekly visit to support the nurses who have queued up patients for him to examine. This boy has developed a problem with his heart.
एक तो वापस से एंटीबायोटिक वापस स्टार्ट करो, हाँ? और अमीकासिन भी ऐड कर, अमीकासिन जेंटामाइसिन है ना अपने पास? We had given him antibiotics for about 7 days. So he's not right now. He's not in that kind of an emergency, but it would require serious evaluation. Wednesday को ले आए, हाँ? Wednesday को तुम OPD में मिलोगे? इलाज इनका थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है और लंबा चलेगा। ठीक हो सकते हैं, पर पहले ये देखना पड़ेगा कारण क्या, टीवी की जांच होगी दिल की, है ना? तो ये उदयपुर में ही हो सकती है। तो उदयपुर में बड़े अस्पताल में, लेकिन वहाँ पे हम आपकी मदद करेंगे। कोई यहाँ से आपके साथ चला जाएगा और वहाँ पर भी हमने बात कर ली है डॉक्टर से, तो वहाँ पर भी आपके साथ कोई रहेंगे।
A mother brings in her infant who is suffering with a fever caused by septicemia.
हमने GNM का रखी है और 3.5 साल की जो ट्रेनिंग होती है सब वो कर रखी है। सर सेरिया की रहने वाली, सलूम्बर के पास सेरिया गाँव है, तो वहाँ रहती है। 7 डे यहीं रहते, 1 वीक ऑफ होता था।
Another toddler is brought in with severe burns. He has fallen into the coals of his family's earth oven.
Challenges of delivering quality health services in such remote and underserved areas are enormous. Firstly, attracting and retaining human resources, healthcare professionals, doctors and nurses who would want to live and work in such difficult circumstances where there is unreliable electricity, no sanitation, and no means of entertainment is really difficult. Secondly, creating infrastructure and ensuring regular supplies of drugs in such remote areas become expensive and stretches your operations.
Despite these challenges, today a young pediatrician has come to consider joining the team.
I think I have this feeling that we should work in rural areas. Our rural setup should be strong medically. Lekin if I have this feeling, I should execute it. It's very hypocritical to say कि करना चाहिए, and myself I'm not doing this thing. I should do this thing. I should take pains, and there is no pain without pain. I should follow my heart.
A major thrust of the initiative is to provide outreach to people who cannot or do not come to the clinic. To do this, the healthcare workers make house calls.
We'll go to Kukda, which is a very distant hamlet of this village, around 8 kilometers from our clinic, and there is no health facility around. The nearest is this clinic, and we are going to meet a woman who is actually one of our first postnatal cares, and when she delivered, the placenta couldn't come out at that time, so the whole family panicked, and her husband came running in the morning at 7 ki jaldi aao kya ho raha hai. And then the Moti, one of our senior health workers, went there and really helped the family out. He got them like God and everything, and they were very happy. So
4-5 दिन पिएगा
4 kg
हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक है चलो बढ़िया
1 kilo बड़ा
बढ़िया
The healthcare workers check on the health of the newborn. They take the family's history as part of the clinic's data collection and record keeping initiative and discuss the children's diets with their mother. They continue to a village meeting where they speak to the sarpanch.
और अमृत कॉलोनी का हमें पूरा सहयोग मिल रहा है। बहुत ही सस्ता और इलाज होता है। एक सप्ते में 50 रुपये से जो मतलब मार्जिन जो आने जाने का किराए में मतलब इलाज होता है। सप्ते पर उसकी पूरी देखरेख की जाती है जब तक ठीक नहीं होता। फॉलो अप जिसको कहते हैं, फॉलो अप के लिए मतलब काफ़ी अच्छा काम करती है अमृत कॉलोनी।
Then they stop to check in on one of the Swasth Kirans. These are local women trained by the outreach staff.
गांव में को महिला है तो गर्भवती बहनी लावन टीका करावना और बन के जांच करावनी.
The major work done by them is mobilizing people. So when we go out to conduct antenatal checkups, to conduct immunizations, to conduct postnatal checkups, and for chlorination of males, and to report some neonatal deaths and everything else that is health related from the village. So we have trained them and we call them as Swaskiran, and they are a great help, and they are actually the foundations of outreach work. They help us immensely. They actually educate other women. Like if we educate one, if we make one Swaskiran, obviously 10 women close to them would be educated. So in this way we are trying to spread the idea of health and hygiene, normal, how to identify malaria, how to identify TB, what is the function of a normal PCM tablet, ORS, diarrhea. Then we have also tried to acquaint them with the with the government schemes that are running here. Like nowadays we are working on the Rashtriya Swasth Bima Yojana. Rather than we going to each and every household, they can actually go and tell people, and people trust them more. Because we are new to this area and they are from the community. So if we teach them, we are actually teaching them the community.
The next day, the team visits the second clinic site in Manpur village, more than an hour away. This region normally sees a semi-arid climate, but right now the monsoons have brought on a rush of green. Manpur village is not quite as spread out as Beiraul, but many of the issues remain the same: malnourishment, infectious diseases, injury, and the complications of conditions that have gone untreated for months or years. This woman is coming in for a follow-up visit for untreated arthritis compounded with severe anemia, which has frozen up her joints.
इनके जोड़ों में बिल्कुल भी वो नहीं है सहन सकती, हाथ पाँव हिलते भी नहीं है, लंबे भी नहीं होते, कुछ नहीं होता है। तो ये अभी तो इलाज होने के बाद में थोड़े बहुत भी हिलने लगे। पहले तो बिल्कुल ही ऐसे हो गए थे, हिलते भी नहीं थे। अब तो उठ के बैठने भी लगी है, थोड़ा सा फ़र्क है इनको।
आयरन की टैबलेट्स दे दो।
More patients stream in during the morning.
बीमारी भी पगम में जलन, दूसरी बात दम, खांसी और ये नस फटेगी।
Exactly. So there will be that restriction.
The range of ailments is challenging. Often conditions have simply gone untreated for much too long. Malnourishment and anemia are a pressing problem in these villages. Despite the challenges, the new doctor has made up her mind.
I feel like doing this. Using our knowledge actually here, like seems We need people like him really much.
Because most of the nurses and senior healthcare workers are recruited locally, they can speak the local dialect. The doctor has picked up enough to counsel patients.
बाबा दम कई वक्त ज्यादा चले सवेरे चले हांजे चले बैठे हुए नहीं चले चालो तो चले
In the afternoon, patients continue to gather outside the clinic. After a quick lunch, the outreach team heads out for home visits.
This is our first patient, and we are here to see a newborn child who was just 1 kg when she was born, and now we follow her up every 15 days to just check the monthly progress.
वो मैं तब यूं ने खेतों में जान शाम के टाइम में दूध पिला तो कमजोर पड़ी जाए बच्ची.
The team is concerned because the baby has lost weight since their last visit. They'll have to return soon for a follow-up. On challenging roads, the team arrives at the home of a man who has been recently cured of leprosy.
कि पहले काफी हालत खराब थी इनकी जो इनको मतलब कपड़ा भी इसके छिपक जाता था शरीर के पूरा तो कपड़ा छिपक जाता था देख करके हमने फील्ड में इनको क्लिनिक तक बुलाया क्लिनिक से हम फिर सर उदयपुर ले जा करके वहाँ ट्रीटमेंट पूरा करके अब ये कह रहे हमारी नई जिंदगी आ गई है यह क्लिनिक खुलने पर इनका मेन ये सब ट्रीट किया था.
The man had been shunned because of his condition. Though his disease was arrested before he lost any of his extremities, he's been left with some numbness that needs to be watched. Further on, they visit another Swasth Kiran.
नमस्कार मैडम एनसी करानी है घर पे अटे मैडम आती है ये मालाड़ी देती है निरोध देती है 3 महीना रा टीका दिवाता सब सारी काम करता है. छोटे बच्चों का वजन करता 60 बच्चों का वजन करता और काफ़ी मतलब अच्छे लोग समझने भी लग गए और काफ़ी बीमारी के बारे में अगर हम कहीं भी ऐसी बीमारी देख लेते हैं जिसका हमको नहीं समझ में आए तो मेरे पास तो मोबाइल है मैं इसमें फ़ोटो लेके जाती हूँ सर को बताती हूँ सर ये वहाँ ये देखा फिर उसके घर जाके उसको साथ साथ ले जाकर फिर उसका फॉलोअप करते देखते कि वास्तविक में यहाँ इलाज होता है आगे पहुँचाना पड़ता है क्या करना पड़ता है ऐसा करते हैं. तो कल ही एक मरीज मिला है मेरे को ये पाँव पे पूरा उसका ऐसा हो गया है ये तो कल ही मिला.
The model relies on trained and skilled nurses whom we believe can provide majority of healthcare services in remote rural areas, provided they are backed up and supported by a physician and on the ground by a team of community health workers. While the skilled nurses can provide a large range of curative services, the community health workers would provide the outreach and extension services and health education. So, comprehensive primary care includes preventive, promotive and curative care. It has several elements and we are trying to perfect each of these elements in the first 2 clinics and then plan to expand these consolidated models to similar underserved areas in Rajasthan and beyond.